What if I told you there's a 20 billion naira opportunity sitting right on the coast of Lagos that could change your financial future forever? Listen, my name is Philip Hassel. I'm a crypto trader and stockbroker with 5 years of experience, and today I'm about to blow your mind. You see, stock dividends are literally paying people's children's school fees and house rent. Just go and ask those who entered the Dangote cement stock at the rate of 5 naira that the same stock is currently trading at 1,088 naira. Just imagine how many percent increase is for someone who's been holding those stocks. Now, with that in mind, smart investors are busy waiting for the Dangote Refinery IPO. If I were you, I'd watch this entire video to know everything about the Dangote Refinery IPO price prediction, the IPO date, and exactly how to buy these shares before everyone else catches on. Now, before we dive deep, let me set the record straight. This refinery information hasn't gone public yet, but these are solid predictions to get you prepared for the IPO or listing on the stock exchanges. And here's the kicker. The dividend payout method will be in dollars. Let me paint you a picture of what we're dealing with here. There's a $20 billion industrial asset sitting right now on the coast of Lagos. And for the first time, ordinary Africans like you and me may be able to own a piece of it. We're talking about the Dangote Refinery, the largest single-train oil refinery on the planet. But here's what the business headlines keep skipping. This IPO almost didn't happen. Powerful groups tried to stop it. They attacked the product. They went after the man, and they had billions of reasons to do so. Let me break down the numbers so you understand the magnitude of this opportunity. Nigeria is the largest oil producer on the continent of Africa. For decades, we've been pumping crude out of the ground, selling it on the international market, and then buying back refined fuel at 5 times the price. The government built 4 state-owned refineries with a combined capacity of 445,000 barrels per day. On paper, more than enough to meet domestic demand. In practice, those refineries barely worked for 40 years. Since 1999, Nigeria has spent billions on what officials call turnaround maintenance. Contracts were awarded, money moved, and refineries kept breaking down. Earlier this year, NNPC's own leadership concluded the refineries were generating monumental losses and shut them down. Then, one man decided to stop waiting for answers. In September 2013, Aliko Dangote announced he was building a private refinery. Initial budget, $9 billion. People called it too ambitious. The investment eventually cost $20 billion. Some estimates say $23 billion, put into one project by one man. In May 2023, President Buhari commissioned it. By September 2024, it produced its first commercial gasoline. By 2026, full nameplate capacity will be 650,000 barrels per day, making it the first single-train refinery anywhere on the planet to reach that throughput. Government refineries, 40 years, tens of billions, zero meaningful output. One private businessman, 13 years, done. And that's exactly when the trouble started. When Dangote started producing at scale, multiple networks of traders, importers, and middlemen who had built entire businesses around Nigeria's inability to refine its own oil saw their income streams shrinking. The attacks began. In 2024, regulators claimed the refinery oil had a high sulfur content, was substandard, and unfit for the market. But when lawmakers supervised actual laboratory tests, here's what they found. Dangote diesel had 87.6 parts per million sulfur, while competing market samples had 2,000 parts per million. The fuel already on Nigerian roads was 20 times dirtier than what Dangote was producing. Now, here are the numbers that will blow your mind. 650,000 barrels per day current capacity. Nigeria's daily demand for gasoline is roughly 50 million liters, and diesel is about 17 million liters. This refinery can cover it all and still have 40% left over for export. Projected annual revenue from 2025 onward, around $25 billion from one asset. Here's where the story changes for you personally. All of that capacity, all of that revenue is about to be something you can hold a piece of. Dangote has publicly confirmed plans to list the refinery on the Nigerian exchange, NGX, and the structure being discussed includes cross-listings on multiple African stock exchanges. When Dangote Cement was listed in 2010, it lifted Nigeria's total market value by roughly 1/3, almost overnight. The refinery is at least 3 times the scale of the cement business. Exchange officials and analysts suggest this listing could push total NGX market capitalization above 100 trillion naira. Now, the question isn't whether to buy, but whether you even know how. Because when the window opens, that's where most people get left behind. If you're a resident in Nigeria, the process is straightforward. Here's what you need to get started. A valid ID, national ID, passport, driver's license, or voter's card, your BVN, an active Nigerian bank account, a recent utility bill, and passport photographs for KYC. Let me walk you through the 5 steps. Step 1, choose a licensed stockbroker. Go to the NGX website and check their trading license holder list. Well-known names with strong digital platforms include Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers, Meristem, Cardinal Stone Securities, CSL Stockbrokers. Step 2, open a brokerage account. This is often done online. Submit your documents through the broker's platform. Step 3, your broker sets up a CSCS account for you. That's your Central Securities Clearing System account where your shares are held electronically. Think of it as your digital share wallet. Step 4, fund the brokerage account. Transfer naira from your bank. When the IPO launches, you need enough for your application plus minor fees. Step 5, when the IPO opens, submit your application through your broker. State how many shares you want, wait for allotment, and after allotment, your shares land in your CSCS account. Now, trading begins on NGX. The exact entry price and minimum application size will be in the prospectus. Many Nigerian IPOs start from tens of thousands of naira. You don't need to be wealthy to participate. What if you're not in Nigeria? Can foreigners legally buy Nigerian stocks? Yes. For Nigerians living abroad, Nigeria introduced the non-resident BVN, NRBVN. You apply online through the NIBSS portal, pay around $50 and submit your passport and basic details. For funding, you wire money from your foreign account to a Nigerian bank. This generates a Certificate of Capital Importation, CCI. Keep this document jealously. It's what allows you to take your profits back out of the country when you want to exit. If you're not a Nigerian, Ghanaian, Kenyan, Cameroonian, South African, the process is similar. Engage a Nigerian broker that accepts foreign clients, provide KYC documents, arrange either a Nigerian bank account or a custodian structure through the broker, and watch for cross-listings. But before you start researching brokers, there are critical things you need to know that could cost you if you ignore them. First, currency risk. Shares will likely be denominated in naira. If the naira weakens against your home currency, which it has done sharply in recent years, your returns in dollars, euros, or cedis may be much smaller than your naira gains. Second, operational risk. Running 650,000 barrels per day is enormously complex. The refinery has already flagged difficulties getting consistent crude supply, partly due to pipeline vandalism. One major disruption hits revenue directly. Third, political risk. The substandard fuel controversy proved that powerful interests can use regulatory channels to create friction even when data doesn't support them. Policy changes, fuel pricing, capital controls, all can shift the investment case quickly. Fourth, valuation risk. A $20 billion asset with $25 billion in projected revenue leaves almost no room for missteps. If the IPO is priced aggressively, early investors are buying future expectations, not current performance. Now, I want you to note that none of this means you shouldn't look at it. It simply means you go in with your eyes wide open. Listen, the direction is clear, but the timing isn't set yet. No prospectus has dropped, no date is confirmed, no price is set. What we have are public commitments from Dangote himself, from exchange officials, and from multiple financial analysts. I'm obviously going to be updating you on all the details as they develop. If you want to be part of those taking the bull by the horns to invest in Africa, drop Dangote IPO in the comments section, and I'll make sure you get all the updates. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this massive opportunity. Remember, when Dangote Cement went from 5 naira to 1,088 naira, those who were prepared made life-changing money. Don't let this 20 billion naira opportunity pass you by. I'm Philip Hassel, your financial guide, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into African investment opportunities. Until then, keep making those money moves.